we get so worried about the dangers of AI replacing us. To me, that's not the danger. The danger to me is forgetting how to be fully human while using it. There was this MIT Media Lab study, and they separated 3 groups to write a standard SAT essay. There's one group that wrote the college essay standard, right? Just like old school do it. Another one that was allowed to use Google search. And then the third was allowed to use AI. And what they found was that the SAT essays with AI, they bypass like hard cognitive processes, right? So they were less creative, right? Memory decreased for those individuals. Like, they couldn't repeat what was in that essay, right? Because they did not write the essays. And so it reminds us that if we outsource these basic cognitive loads, when we outsource the craft of creating, right? Our brains, synapses connecting and leaning on not just what these large language models are telling us, but what we know from, the classics and physics and that trip I took 3 years ago and that, that community that I met, right? That's when we bypass the good and the special,